Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour. A motorboat goes 10 km upstream and back again to the starting point in 50 minutes. Find the speed of the motorboat in still water. So what is the given question? The speed of the stream is given, that is y is given, y is equal to 5 km per hour. And also the distance is given, the total distance travelled is equal to 10 km. So 10 km upstream and downstream and back again to the starting point. So the distance travelled is 20 kilometers total and the distance travelled is to a place 10 kilometer away. So D is equal to 10 kilometer and the time is also given, the total time taken is 50 minutes and you have to find out the speed of the motorboat in still water, or you are asked to find out x. So how to do this? Have you studied any formula for doing these kind of questions? The distance is given, the total time taken for travelling upstream and downstream. Separate times are not given, the total time is given for travelling upstream and downstream, and speed of the stream is also given. So you had already learned D is equal to T into x square minus y square divided by 2x. So this formula you can use here. Here D is given, how far is the place? The distance is given 10 km upstream and back again to the starting point. So 10 km far is the place. So D is given, y is given and T is also given. You are asked to find out x. So you can do 10 is equal to, T is equal to 50 minutes. You have to convert it into hour. So it will be equal to 50 by 60 into x square minus 5 square divided by 2x. So what you will be getting? Here 50 and 5 and 6 can be cancelled out. Then x square minus 25. 5 square is equal to 25. So x square minus 25 will be equal to 10 into 6 into 2x, which is equal to, okay, here 5 and 10 can be cancelled out. Okay, so here 2 will come. So 6 into 2 into 2x. That is 6 into 4x, 24x. So that way it can be easily written. So x square minus 25 is equal to 24x, which gives you x square minus 24x minus 25 is equal to 0. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation. So what you will be getting? X minus 25 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. The sum should be minus 24 and the product should be minus 25. So one should be negative, one number should be negative and the second number should be positive and the negative number should be greater than the positive number. So x minus 25 and plus 1. So minus 25 into 1 is, the product is minus 25 and the sum is minus 24. So x minus 25 into x plus 1, which gives you x is equal to 25 km per hour. So once you read this question, you should remember this formula. D is equal to T into x square minus y square divided by 2x. So you should be very thorough with the question format. Now second question, a boat goes 12 km downstream and comes back to the starting point in 3 hours. If the speed of the current is 3 km per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. So what is the distance travelled or how much kilometer downstream is gone? The boat is going 12 km downstream or the boat is going to a place 12 km away and then returning back to the starting point and the total time is given. Total time is equal to 3 hours. Separate times are not given, upstream time or downstream time. No separate time is given. Only the total time taken to travel to a place 12 km away and returning back is given. That is 3 hours and also y is also given. It is 3 km per hour. You are asked to find out x. So again you just remember the formula. D is equal to T into x square minus y square divided by 2x. So you know T here, you know D and you know y. So you have to find out x. So 12 is equal to 3 into x square minus 9 divided by 2x. So 3 and 12 can be cancelled. So here 4 will come. So x square minus 9 is equal to 8x, which gives you x square minus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. Sum should be minus 8 and product should be minus 9. So x minus 9 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you will be getting the answer. Product is equal to minus 9 and sum is minus 9 plus 1 is equal to minus 8. So your x will be equal to 9 km per hour. So that is the speed of boat in still water. Now question number 3. The speed of a boat in still water is 6 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 1.5 km per hour. Arun rows to a place at a distance of 22.5 km and comes back to the starting point. Find the total time taken by him. So here what is the information given? X is equal to 6 km per hour. The speed of boat in still water is given, that is 6 km per hour, and speed of the stream y is given 1.5 km per hour. Now you notice, once you represent x and y, x is equal to speed in still water and y is equal to speed of stream, the things become very easy in order to solve the problems. So take it as a standard representation, x and y. So x is equal to 6 km per hour and y is equal to 1.5 km per hour. And Arun is rowing to a place which is at a distance of 22.5 km and he is returning back to the same place, and we have to find out the total time taken. So whenever the question is of the format, the person is rowing to a place at a certain distance and rowing back, means you have to remember this formula. So here actually d is given, d is equal to 22.5 km and you have to find out the total time taken t. So if you are thorough with the format, you can easily remember the formula. D is equal to t into x square minus y square divided by 2x. So here we are having d, we are having x and we are having y. You have to find out t. So 22.5 is equal to t into 6 square minus 1.5 square divided by 2 into 6, which is equal to 12. What is 6 square minus 1.5 square? 6 plus 1.5 into 6 minus 1.5, which gives you 7.5 into 4.5, that will be equal to 33.75. So 22.5 is equal to t into 33.75 divided by 12. So you will be getting everything cancelling out and all, you will be getting t is equal to 4 divided by 0.5, which is equal to 8 hours. So 8 hours is the total time taken for Arun to travel to a place 22.5 km away and coming back to the starting point. So this formula is very important. It can be applied for different questions, very important questions. Within seconds you can find out the answer by knowing this formula and knowing the correct question format. D is equal to t into x square minus y square divided by 2x. Thank you for watching.